first farm animals. Who would have thought it'd be a goat? All right, my truck is started, airing up. Dad's about to leave with his truck. Choo choo. I need to straight pipe mine so bad.